Here's an error message while moving a video from one location to the other using FastStone image viewer. So I clicked on this video, I go to cut and I go here and click paste. I was trying to move it, to copy it, but it says action can be completed because the file is open in FastStone Plugin07 and it's not moving the file, and I have to cancel it, and it disappears from here and it remains here. So how to fix this problem? Right click on this file, go to cut, okay, but meanwhile select something else, let's say that one. And now if I paste the file, now it moved it. So since that one was a video, it was trying to play it, and thus the file was in use. So first cut it, select something else to disconnect the image viewer from the playing, and then paste it.